it's me again. What's new and exciting? This is the weekly what's new this week. I'm almost done a hibachi barbecue. The videos are slowly going to pop up if they haven't already. I'll have a little bit of a 20-ton Whitney machine tool. Whitney metal tool punch, where I punched out nice little 11/16 size Oreos for people. I had some fun on my bandsaw. Actually, that Wen bandsaw actually works pretty good, except for one little thing that popped on it, but I managed to fix it. And apparently the replacement bearing on it is $6, so I'm not complaining. The little bench that I made is basically, what was I gonna say? The surfboard bench has been put on hold. That's after this barbecue, because I really want to eat steak rather than sit on a bench. But I could sit on a bench and eat steak. What else is new? I worked on this hibachi barbecue. I picked up a few things. I have some forge stuff coming in, and I think I finally got finally in the mail, I may have finally got the milling machine vise after, I don't know, 5 months of waiting. First one got lost and whatever, probably stolen. Thank you, USPS, for losing a 52-pound box. It's in the, I think it's Ferguson, Missouri post office. How do you lose a 52-pound box? That is, something that not everybody uses. Especially since you can't put it on the conveyor belts either. They told him, well, probably got lost because it has to be manually scanned in and out, and apparently it wasn't manually scanned in or out. It just got lost. So, and anyway, other than that, there's not much else besides this crazy looking hibachi, which I think I've been showing videos on my Instagram. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click the like button, lick your screen, do whatever you want to do. Just join the channel and have some fun. I got all kinds of stuff I'm doing, and I even have an idea. I might build I have these old clear, Lexan or plexiglass tubes, and I'm thinking I might put a few things on the side, and since it's summer, build a couple of bird feeders and just start out on here. And I'm also probably going to have a video of me tossing my vapor rust back into a 5-gallon bucket, because I really want that counter space. So that'll all be up soon. But there's still I drop dead tomorrow. You're good till June, July, almost August with videos. And so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Was it 392 subscribers? Awesome. Thanks for subscribing.